So getting ready to fly the Avata from DJI. DJI got this nice case for it. And for those of you that don't fly FPV, well, for any drone for that matter, you realize on this drone it weighs so much that you do have to register it with the FAA. So registration number is on there. It's a $5 registration fee, and also they want you to put the registration number on the drone. So just so you know, those of you that wear glasses, the old goggles, I was able to wear glasses in the old goggles version 2. These goggles, you cannot wear your glasses. So you take your glasses off and adjust the diopters right here. If you wear glasses like I do, but it works pretty well without glasses. And I can see pretty good on it. I use the, I call it the joystick controller for the first time, and it works pretty well. It takes a while to get used to, but the controls are actually pretty smooth. Probably smoother than the joystick controller, just guessing. So one thing I forget to do all the time is remove the gimbal cap. You'll get a gimbal, you'll get an error if this cap isn't removed. So make sure you remove it and then put it back on. Also, they sent, in case you haven't seen another video, they sent a real nice cover for the lenses, because people were burning out their lenses last year when they came out with the, you have to remove that, it just snaps in, snaps back. And if you're looking for a case, I bought this was about $100, HM Stanley on Amazon. And it's a nice hard case, has a lock on it, a couple locks, and fits everything.